Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of January 22nd through the 28th in my Artake Weekly Tasks Planner using this mini kit by PinkimonoPapers. If you've never seen any of my videos before, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with all different kinds of media, from planners to art prompt journal books to just different kinds of art media. So if you're interested in seeing any of my content, check out the description box below. There are several different playlists related to each category of planning and art media, so you can see all the different kinds of content I create and share with you guys. And I will be having my first Disneyland vlog come up this week. So if you guys are interested in seeing all of the behind the scenes of what I do when I'm not crafting or planning or working, then you can check out my Travel With Me playlist, which that Disneyland vlog will be linked there. So, like I said, this is the kit we're using. It is from PinkimonoPapers. I've had this for quite a while now, and it is a very mini kit. So I do have a few things that I'm going to add to it. So, of course, we've got washi. I'm going to be using these two colors. The first is this, like, I don't know what kind of pattern this is, but it's like a cute chevron pattern, and I like it because it kind of goes with the color scheme over here that we've got. And then I've got this pink and rose gold, or just regular gold, washi that matches the colors in the kit. And then, of course, because there's no, like, really mainly no functional things in there, I am going to be pulling some items from a previous kit from Planner Sister Sticker, as well as the numbers. So we're going to be using that. It's set aside because I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use it, so don't want to show it to you if I'm not going to use it, you know. So let's go ahead and jump into this week and my planner. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and start by adding the washi across the top of the spread. And I think we're going to cut this washi in half. So what have you guys been up to this week? How's the weather been? I know it has been really, really cold everywhere else. It's been chilly here in Florida. It's not been too bad. I had a couple of days this week where it was chilly and rainy, which is very exciting. I just realized I probably should have whited out the background, but it's fine. But yes, it has been pretty chilly here. I know it's definitely not been like in the negatives because, you know, it's Florida. We don't get that. I think the coldest I've ever seen it is like back when I was growing up, it was at like 20 degrees. That's pretty much the coldest I've ever seen it. But you know, you never know what happens in Florida, right? So yes, I am whiting or covering up those dates with this washi just because I do this all the time. And it just, for me, it just makes it easier to cover up the dates when I already have them covered up this way. That made no sense, didn't it? Words are hard today. Okay, so we're going to move over to this side, and well, I gotta get my special cutter for that. So something super exciting happened this week in my life. I am actually going to be moving, which is very exciting. I'm still staying in the area that I'm in. It's just going to be a different building. So I am very excited about this. This is something that both my sister and I have been thinking about separately for quite a while, and then circumstances happened where we were able to actually go ahead with the move. So I am very excited about it. I think it's going to be a very good experience. We are moving from a 2-bedroom apartment to a 3-bedroom apartment, which again, I'm super pumped about. And it's going to be an adventure for sure, because we've never lived in a 3-bedroom apartment before. So it's going to be fun though. I want to add the girl sitting here. I think I want her right here, which means I need to probably white out this section, but I want the pink to be like her sitting area, you know. I gotta be careful. I'm almost out of this pink washi. I don't remember where I got it. I'm pretty sure it's Happy Planner. I know this I got from Michael's a while ago. Oh, I have an idea for this chandelier too. Okay, so I want her to be sitting here, but I want to be able to use that box. So I'm gonna white this area out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and white out the rest of these lines here, because this, whoops, is where we're gonna use this washi here. And the reason why this one is empty is because I'm thinking of adding her looking out the window right here. But part of me wants to put her over here. So we are actually going to do that. So instead, we will add a box and these lanterns right here. And then I'll white out that tiny little checkbox there. There we go. And then the chandelier, I said I had an idea for. Oh, I like how it's cut out. That's very nice. I'm gonna put it here. Part of me feels like these lanterns should go towards the bottom. That's definitely better. So white that out right there. Okay, and then I wanted her to go on Tuesday. I think I'm just gonna put it right on top of the check boxes. There we go. And I think I'm gonna put warm and cozy right here. There we go. So this is 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26 is I have an appointment. So I'm gonna put that right, come on now, right there. And then priorities, I'm going to have here at this box. And then I'm thinking of doing reminders here. There we go. Okay, now it's time to bring in the extra kit items that I have. Okay, so Monday is payday, so we're gonna have that sticker there. These aren't quite the same colors, but I think they will work for what I need them to work for. Okay, and then I will put these boots here. We have 2 more boxes, which technically I could do some sticker surgery and make that one another box. And I might actually do that just because I want to make sure we've got enough boxes for this. But I might not need it. We'll see. Okay, and then I wanted, whoops, here. And if this will come off, there we go. I wanted to put these 2 together. And then, because we will lose probably all 4 of these boxes, I'll just go ahead and white those out. There we go. Okay, and then I think we need to add more of this color over here because it's looking a little plain. So, do a little, oops, that's right over the top of that. I did not want that directly on top. And then I think I want one more down at the bottom over here. So if we start in the corner, we'll go all the way over and just, there we go. And you know, I actually don't know if I even need more from that kit because I have some things. I am getting Happy Mail on Monday, so I am going to put, you know what we are going to do is we are going to take this box off, put the Happy Mail sticker there, and put this one right here. Just so that we've got, oops, I went a little too low there. Just so that we've got an even amount of color in this spread. I am failing at doing this. All right, so for date covers, we are going to use Growing Modestly's Daily Headers because I like her font and I need to get more of these. I am running dangerously low even though I've only used 2 weeks worth. I think I actually ordered some, gosh, a while back when I did the Black Friday order, which should be coming on Monday. Poor Emily's had some really bad family stuff and just other stuff going on. So I told her to take her time on the order because I'm on her PR team and I understand what she's going through. So I told her, I was like, you know, you take your time. It's okay. I do not mind waiting. So anyway, my story is I like her, I don't know, like, does that look like it gets lost? I think it's fine. We will put Friday up here at the top though. Anyways, so I think I got more. My moral of this whole story is I think I got more date headers. All right, you guys, that is it for this week in my Artake planner using the Get Cozy mini kit from PinkimonoPapers and then some date covers from Growing Modestly. And then little, like, functional boxes from a Planner Sister sticker kit. If you guys like this video and you want to see more of my Artake plan with me's, you can check out the description box. There will be a playlist called Artake Weekly Tasks Play On With Me, and it has all of the different videos that I have done with the planner. So if you're interested in seeing any of those spreads, check out that description box. And I also have a flip through on my TikTok. It will be all of the different spreads that I have completed in 2023. So if you want to see that, my TikTok username is just like my YouTube. It is at CraftyPlannerLovR. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.